Hello, everyone. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, how to start a business, and how you can use different streams of income to provide money for you and your family. If you like those kind of videos, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified. Today, I'm doing a tutorial on Tubebuddy. The link for this will be down in the description. It does help you get subscribers and views by helping you look for a keyword for your video to be about, how to make your video more clickable, how to create a thumbnail that stands out, what the health of your channel is, and much more. So we're going to dive into that today. If you like this or you're interested in this, please stick around. So here's my dashboard. And you'll see that my videos have gotten 17 views. The impression is 17.9, which is up. The average watch duration is 1 minute and 33 seconds. I have 538 subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching. But we're going to click on Tubebuddy, and you can go to Keyword Explorer. Okay. And you can do this as a free version, but it only lets you have, I think, 6 searches. So you should go down in the description, and if you have under 1,000 subscribers, it's only $4.50, and I think if you have over 1,000, it's $9, I believe, either $7 or $9. Okay, so let's say you wanted to do a YouTube video about make money online. So we'll just put make money online. Okay. And it's going to generate this for you. Okay. It's telling you it's poor. The score above is specific to your channel. So this will be different for everybody. Try clicking a keyword in the related panel to find a better score. Okay. So people are searching for it, but it's poor for my channel, meaning that it's going to be hard for me to rank for that. So if I put 2021, let's see if that works. Okay. And you just have to play with that. Okay. That's poor as well. So if I put on PayPal, that's poor as well. So if we put make money in 2021 online, let's see. Let's try ways to make money. And this tool is so helpful because it does tell you different ways to make money. Okay, so that's not working. So let's try some different keyword altogether. So we'll do ClickFunnels review. Okay, it's going to generate. That's poor. We'll go to 2021 and see if that's better. Because what you want to try to do, guys, is get the score that's in the yellow or the light green, or the dark green would even be better. Review and tutorial. Because you want to try to score for these long tail keywords, which is what this is a long tail keyword. Okay. We'll try ClickFunnels 2021. And you can also do videos that are versus, like ClickFunnels versus Builderall, ClickFunnels versus Lead Pages, ClickFunnels versus GrooveFunnels. Okay, that's let's see. And it does take time, guys, but you just got to keep at it and find a keyword. If this doesn't work, then I'll find something else. It's still in the orange. So what we're going to do is we're going to go Price Rebel tutorial. Tutorial 2021. Okay. That's good. But it doesn't have a good search volume. So you want to do, let's do tips and tricks and see if that's better. Tips and tricks. Okay, pleasurable 2021. Okay, we're going to try pleasurable review. We're going to try affiliate marketing in 2021. Okay, we'll try this. Okay. We'll do step by step. Okay, so we're at the thing of the, we're at the real tail end, and the search volume is really good. The competition is in the orange. The optimization strength is high. Okay, so say we're going to go with this. Okay, affiliate marketing in 2021, step by step. Okay. And then we're going to close this out, go back in, and we're going to go over here to SEO Studio, okay? Because this is going to be our target keyword, okay? Affiliate marketing in 2021, step by step, okay? And they can also help you find the right target keyword, okay? So you see that this is 62%, and we have to get this to 100. So you're going to fill this out, okay? And then it says include the target keyword naturally in your title. So we're going to put learn. Okay. So so um so it's telling you include your target keyword naturally in the title. And then we can also go to next, and it's going to tell us the tags to use. So we'll put those. Okay. That moved it up to 75. Okay. And then you go to next, and it's at 76. Um, and you want to be able to get this to 100. Okay. So you're going to do your title and description, your tags, your thumbnail, and then you can apply it to your video. Okay. So either you can use your existing thumbnail if it's pretty. If it's not, you want it to stand out, so you can either upload one, or you can create one when you upload your video. So then you can go ahead and click save as draft. Okay. And this one we can get rid of. But that's how TubeBuddy works, and it really helps you because you can find the right keyword. Okay. You can use Keyword Explorer and type in like this one, TubeBuddy, because you want to be able to rank. Actually, I spelled that wrong. Sorry. So it's pulling up my score. That's poor. It has good search volume. It has poor competition. It's very good in optimization strength. So then we want to try TubeBuddy tutorial. TubeBuddy tutorial 2021. because we're at fair, we want to be in the green, remember? Step by step training. So you want to just keep adding words that make sense to the end of your search terms so you can rank for those, because the higher terms that are trending are going to be hard to rank for because people have bigger YouTube channels than you. So it's going to be harder competition. So if I just put step by step and take out the training, okay, there it's very good. So Tubebuddy tutorial 2021 step by step. Okay, the search volume is in orange, the competition is in green, the optimization strength is in the dark green, number of videos in the search result 719,000. Okay, so you know that you want to do that because that is a keyword that you can rank for. And you can look at unweighted. I just stay with weighted. Unweighted is very good. So that would be a good search term for you to search. Now, the link for Tubebuddy will be in the description. You can join my Tubebuddy team. I always look for new customers and people that I can help out looking to make their YouTube channel better. You can also quietly identify what content your audience is craving and learn what style of thumbnails will drive the most clicks. Okay? Okay, so I don't have that yet. Okay, so I don't have that yet, which is fine. But this has definitely helped me grow my YouTube channel. And in the last 36 or 28 days, I've gotten 26 subscribers. My watch time has gone up. My views have gone up. My top videos have changed. So I think this video is helpful for everybody. Make sure you use the link in the description. Sign up for Tubebuddy. It's only $4.50 to get started, okay? I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when I release new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please comment below if it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.